myself. So I was scrolling through IG, just minding my own business. Then suddenly I saw like something, cinema in nature. I was like, let me check about this. Maybe it's watching a movie in the forest, vibing with popcorns, or taking some few cinematic shots in the nature. I was very much shocked because I went to their website. It was a trek, like a 5 kilometer. I was like, this is very nice.
Tough time never lasts. Only tough people last.
And then they gave us the logistics. Obviously, it will take the matatu, which is the Nganyas in Kiambu. Then they gave us the starter pack. I was like, the shoes, I'll use my running shoes. Reusable water bottle. I was like, damn, do I have to buy another water bottle because I've never had? I was like, imagine 19 minutes almost the booking space to be closed. So I took the 1 p.m. session, which was the group 2, because I was like, I can't take the 10. I know myself. So, but even the 1, I was still running late. Hear me out. Hear this story and you'll see why. 12:23 and the car was not yet moving. The bus, let me say so. So nimekuja mbio. Even the walikuwa nakata kama niingie like with the camera. Mimi sijui wanadhani nini oragana. But anyway, look at my new hairstyle by the way. So I've called them because I was a bit scared because it was already past 1. I called them, I'm like, yo, hello. I'm here. Are you yet gone? Because I'm telling the guards I have to be here for the nature. Then they said the group is already like ilishaenda towards Ago. I'm like, that's the first group. So in the second group, we are leaving at exactly 1. I've called them. They are now arriving. Yeah, then we leave. So I'm happy. Sijamis. Yo pesa zangu zingeenda nige cheesy. So guys, I don't know if you can see me. I wanted to show like the full fit. So because I don't have the audio of what we are hearing, I'll give it just something short. So it's like giving you spoilers. Yeah. So it will be my grandmother talking about the MauMau, and she shared a lot of good insights. Yeah. So here some good rich wisdom and found. I don't know how can I explain this information. Yeah. So we are very, very much lucky to hear from this.
Ona mundu amenya biu manego no ekora thori arumaga tiri.
Nani guka alikuwa wauma?
Nani guka? Kai. Gukari chapwa.
Alikula kiapo.
Watu walikula.
Hadi wewe?
Ya. Tulikula.
Hiyo ni kusema uwezi ukatoa siri.
Ulikuwa
kula kiapo hiyo tulikuwa tunaambiwa usikatoa hii siri. Hata kiuawa tafadhali ukupwe.
Siri ni kusema aje?
Maana mambo alikuwa anaongea.
So guys, there. Imagine the headphones have stopped working. Yeah, I don't know what's up with his system, but he has said like the transmitter, he's waiting for it, so we're waiting for it. And you're like, even not halfway, like 10 minutes into the MauMau, like content. So yeah, I feel bad for him because like, imagine you had planned this, then like it stops working. But things do happen. I just moved further away from them so I can talk to you guys secretly. So guys, we are back. The film is from start because even I don't remember. I don't remember anything because I was shooting every time, shooting. So yeah, from the start. Now we're still working.
Like hiyo ceremony ya kiapo alikuwa anafanya aje?
Hiyo kiapo wanasema.
Aya, ceremony wa kiapo. Tweka gwatiriri. Uria waheanaga kiapo ri. Wathĩnjwo mbũri-rĩ, he mũciĩ ũrĩa mathiaga makauga gũkũ nĩkuo tũkũhera andũ mũma gũkũ kwang'ania nĩkuo tũkũhe na tũkũmahe ũtukũ kana mũthenya barigici mũthenya wa kiumia. Rĩu mũciĩ ũcio andũ marathiĩ kũherwo-rĩ, nĩ kwaigagwo thigari anake yuthi athi mũkaigwo nyũmba ĩno mũgatonywo nyũmba ĩno rĩu kũu ũkiuma ũratwarwo kũrĩa ũrathi kũherwo muma ũgathiĩ mũgatwarwo mũrĩ atatũ kana mũrĩ ana mũgakora thuri mũgakora kĩgongona gĩthondeketwo ũguo ũgũka rĩu wakinya haha ũguo ũkaneo nyama ĩyo ũkerwo ũrĩe na ti hĩu ũkerwo ũrĩe ũkarĩa warega kũrĩa ũkũragĩrwo hau ũgacoka nĩyo nyama ĩngĩ ĩno ya haha cibainĩ kũti ũkanengerwo mũnyamũ wĩtagwo mũkengeria we mũkengeria nĩ ũrĩa ũkoragwo mũgũnda ũkerwo ũhungurio ũguo maita mũgwa.
So guys, we are done with the first set of listening to the narration. Yeah, we are there at the caves. I'll talk more about it because now I can't multitask, walking, talking, recording, seeing where I'm going. So it's a bit hard for me. So I'll explain it later. For now, we are going to the waterfall. After that, we listen to the nature, all that. Then we leave for the next part that we'll be listening to. So yeah, I'm excited. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I guess we'll get a clear view or a closer look. Let me go. And I've never come to Karura, by the way. Very fun, very fantastic. From the experience I had from last time, this waterfall ain't anything. A closer look, guys. But there's a lot of people. I can't get near, and I won't get near. Because if you sleep, I don't have any changing clothes. If you know, you know. So yeah, people are just taking pictures over there. Let me go back to my group. I fear water. Yeah, I'm tired. So we are done with the waterfall scene. Yeah. So we're continuing the journey. I guess you're going for the part 2. Yeah, for the part 2. We'll see what's all about. But yo, this place is huge and has a lot of people. Today's on a Saturday here. Saturday it has a lot of people. So we'll continue to see where we'll go to. We are back on. I don't know why I'm whispering. The headphones are back on. Some good music. I don't know if I keep this microphone inside the headphones kama nitaka mshamba, but let me hook you on some good music. Here we go. If we put this microphone inside the headphones, kuna venye inafanya ina sound like a scratched disc or a TV, an old TV. Hey, this hill. Hey. I can't multitask either way. Yeah, so I guess the signal on this transmitter with the headphones like in a distort. See? So I guess I won't try again.
Uga dikaubura hiri eno dikaubura ona ingĩgatũmwo kũ kana ũtukũ kana mũthenya no ngathiĩ ona ũngĩgacamania na mũthũngũ kana mũrũngu ndũkanamwarĩrie ũgathiĩ ũkĩũragia ciũria na thiri ĩno na we mũtumia wĩkoyo mũtumia kana we mũirĩtu ndũkanendanĩrie mũrigo na kamũkwa ndũkanathiĩ muoyane na mũndũ mũthiĩ mũkahitie nake na nĩ mũthũngũ ndũkanahikio nĩ mũndũ warĩ wa mũthirikari ndũkanahikio nĩ Jonathani cianaenda kulambalamba mũcungu kanyamũ kau ũkũhunguria maita mũgwa ũkerwo atĩrĩwe thiri yothe ingĩkaumbura rĩ ngarĩo nĩ muoyo ũkerwo kũhunguria rĩngĩ
We are done. Listen to the music. Yeah, guys. So we are done with the day. We're going to the picnic area, apparently. So we're going to take some. What we're going to draw on some canvases. Yeah. But for our trip with listening to this, it was very poetic. It was everything. Let me show you the picnic, how it looks. It looks nice, clean, as always. Yeah, look at that. Green grass, happy family, kids playing, everything. Can't wait to paint on the canvas. Even though I'm not a good painter. Let me show you the kids. See? The kids. Finally arriving, some drawings, canvases, and I don't remember the last day I did painting. I used to draw, but painting ain't my thing. Let me take off my shoes because there's somewhere here good Masai shuka to lie on. I'm good. So what do we have? We have this canvas, but it's only like a board. It's a plain board apparently. I thought it's something like the canvas, the real canvas, but it's just a plain board. So yeah, and then we just laid here some colors. I don't want to spill them. There. Brush, some pencil, and a chart apparently for mixing to get another color. You know these things I don't remember how I was done. Like red, if you mix it, I don't even see it. Red we mix with blue, you get a purple. Nah, I'm gonna use these paints. Let me show you some drawings that I wanted to do. This one, I want hard thing. I take this one. What? Alright, try this one. And it's very simple. Watch me paint. Some water for me. Oh, this one. This one is for like painting. Let's start. No talking. Let's start. Do I love it? Yes. Aftermath. Let me put my headroom a little bit higher. So yeah, the inspiration has inspired me to reach to this point so I can be an artist or a painter. I don't know what to like. Signed it, but my name cannot be seen. So yeah, time to leave. I'm putting it over here. So let me wrap it up. Then we'll see what's next. Yo, guys. I'm done for the day. Yeah. I'm done for the day. My painting locked in. Let me show you. I guess I've shown you the painting already. So again, let me show you because I'm an artist. Call me Da Vinci. Is this not a Mona Lisa? Is it? Oh, my microphone. Either way, I'm done for the day. Let me spot this sunlight. Yeah, just there. Look cinematic. I've had an amazing time learning about the, sikuwa najua like story about MauMau vizuri. I didn't know the deeper stories. I've loved the vibe. Then nikamaliza painting. Some people had seen me because this camera, even though it's small, I'm talking to something somewhere, so people might know I'm recording. So I'm like, yeah, I'm seeing you recording. Tell me a channel. Oh, so I love the love that people show me. I can cry because people like, I'll subscribe to your channel, I'll do whatever. You're doing a good job out there. I'm like, guys, and it's because of you guys. So tell a friend to continue subscribing. Missing a lot of events, by the way. Chini ya maji nimekuwa nikimiss events. Kwa nini? Because I haven't been booking early. Yeah, I haven't been booking early because I'm telling myself, before watu wajue nikienda. And those booking early, like if you book early, the early birds catches the worm. The worm is good prizes. You get good prizes. And for me, najambeacha time ipite. Maybe that time I won't be around. Maybe that time. So that much excuses. Imekuwa ikiniangusha vibaya sana. But we got to this. That's all I can say. It's much love here. I'll be reposting this for them because they're like, hey, tag by the collaborate with us. I'm like, bet I have to, because you have an amazing job, guys. So bye. Remember, say it with me. I know now umeshika. Be the salt and the light of the world. But that's a Bible verse. It's a sermon from Jesus. Yeah. So I love that. And I'll talk about it another time. Yeah. But tells us how to be good Christians. So be the say it with me. Wewe. Be what? Be the salt and the light of the world. Tihi. So guys, I'm on my way back. I've been told to use this route. Okay, I've missed the routes that I've been told, but I'm afraid. Ebu, look at this road. I'm all alone. Look. Let me tell you, it's a bit scary. And I don't know if this route is the one that I've been told that it will take me to the parking lot where I'm supposed to shit. I heard there were like snakes over here. I hope I don't. Oh, I've seen people. Let me ask them. Or I even have seen a sign. Let me see. Guys, so I've asked them. Yeah, it's the parking area, but the road, no, obviously. The road, it's a bit scary. Even I cannot come like at night. At least I've seen one person with a bike. Now imagine if you are alone and someone is chasing you, like, yeah. Even if you scream loud enough, there's no houses, but now I can hear some matatus. So I know I'm there. No, I'm safe, guys. Don't worry, I'm safe. If I post this video, no, I am safe. Teehee.